Hello everyone, Chef Marissa Cansaro here. Today we're going to be making Pollo Sorrentino, which is chicken Sorrentino. This recipe will be in my cookbook, The Next Generation. Let's get started. I'm going to sprinkle my chicken with salt and pepper on both sides. I'm going to make my egg wash. I'm going to put my oil in a pan and I'm going to begin to fry my chicken. Okay, I'm beginning to turn the chicken. It's nice and golden. It's our final product. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my next recipe and bon appetit.